with Gray. Welcome back from How To with episode 2 to make French coffee. I think you already know it from the thumbnail, so no need for this intro. Okay, we'll start now. Today we will learn how to make French coffee in your home and also how you can store it. I mean how you can make the French powder, French coffee powder. As you know, the French coffee is one of the expensive coffees that you can buy it, and even if you want to buy the powder, so today you will learn how to make it and how to make the powder. So let's get started. Now we'll start with the ingredients. First of all, we have 1 big spoon of milk, have a big spoon of sugar, have a big spoon of Nescafe, have a big spoon of vanilla, have a big spoon of coca, and last, an important thing, the big 1 big spoon of coffee. That's the ingredients, just to make like a few powder or like for a couple uses only. But if you want to make for a long time use, you can repeat the ingredients, but we can say it again. We'll use the milk. Oh sorry, I forget the liquid milk. So I'll repeat the ingredients again if you want to make it the big amount of the powder. So the milk, instead of big spoon, you'll use the half cup of milk. For the sugar, also half cup or quarter cup. I suggest to use quarter cup or as you wish, because if you wanted to make it like ready, just put the powder and the hot water and that's it, or you want to add the sugar alone. So anyway, you can use also the quarter cup of Nescafe, quarter cup of vanilla, big cup of half cup of coffee, and quarter cup of coca. So now we'll start to mix them all and get our mixture. Okay, I'll mix it here, and all the amounts are here ready for me, so I'll get a spoon. Okay, now I'll empty them all here and just mix them. Okay, now we had finished. We get here our mixture. Now we'll mix them together, just to have them equal. And also I suggest you to put it in the blender, because you will find there's some stones or some big parts of the mixture, and when you made the coffee, you'll like it will be crunchy, and you'll like while you're drinking, you'll eat it, and it will ruin the flavor or the taste. So the blender will be good choice, but I will not do it now, but I suggest you to do it to get better result. I'll mix it well. Now my mixture is been ready. Now I'll bring this coffee pot and we'll put our mixture here. But before that, we should not forget the liquid milk. You can use, instead of the liquid milk, you can use the water only. But I prefer the liquid milk to make the coffee richy, because the milk make it richy. But if you don't like that big amount of milk, or don't want to make it richy, you can just add water. That will give you the same result. But as I told you, the milk will make it richy. So I'll get my cup to measure, for measurement only. So as we will just make 1 cup. Okay. After I measure. Also, don't forget, don't use the same cup. Don't put the coffee on this cup. As we measure it, there will be milk, and it will ruin the face if you put them. The better thing is to wash the cup or use other cup. Okay. So now we get our powder ready, as I told you. and we'll add here as much as you like. And you know that this cup is small, so the better thing is to add just 2 teaspoons, and that's it. Okay, now we'll spill them, mix them well. Yeah, I hope you see it. Check it out. Okay. Oh my god, the smell is very, very beautiful, really. And to know that you get the best result, the color should be light. I don't know if it's clear or no, but the color, it should be bright. Oh. Okay. Now it's turn to boil it. I'll boil it and I'll be with you. Okay, now it's on the fire and it's boiling now, and I just want to give you some tips. While it's on the fire, keep on mixing it until you will put the spoon, and when you rise it up, it will be like one liquid, one equal liquid. There is no stones, no big parts, and no other things. Okay, so it will be equal. That's at this moment you can stop on mixing it, and also don't forget to make the fire on the lowest thing, because if you make it high, that's not the coffee. The coffee, it means the low fire. If you make it high, it will ruin the flavor and the taste all. Okay, so you should make it at the lowest point, and also don't forget that. And you might ask why you are not seeing what's happening in the kitchen. I'm saying to you, sorry, but I can't take you there. Just like that, I'm not ready to, or I don't know how to shoot in the kitchen and that stuff. Okay, so just you will find it ready after a moment. And also I don't want to ruin that, but the channel, I was having a goal. I know it was a huge goal, or I mean we was having that goal, but we didn't reach it. If you remember, or I said it before, but anyway, no problem. Still we'll be pushing the channel. And also sorry for the big days, or the many days that we did not upload. Was having some circumstances that happened to us, but I hope it will not be repeated again in the future, and we will be pushing the channel. Also Orange will be back with you in the coming days. Just he's preparing something and he's upgrading for himself, so I'll go check the coffee. I think it's be ready. See, okay, now it has been ready, and as you can see it's very hot, and I can't turn it more so the face don't get loose. Now we are ready for the moment that you had been waiting for the entire video. Okay. Oh my god, I don't want to say it. The smell is very tasty. Okay. Now the coffee cup has been ready. Oh my god, from the smell. Oh. Okay. Now after the coffee has been ready, you can get anything beside it. I had prepared here some cookies. As you see, some cookies. And now, for tasting. Oh yes, before I taste, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's some small dots. That's what I'm saying for you. That's why you should blend it. Now I'll taste it. Really, it's very delicious. Hot, but very delicious. Now my mood or my day has been created or have been done. This cup of coffee, some cookies, my days has been wonderful. Hope you like it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yes, that's it. Yes, before I forget, I had left it on purpose on the last of the video to see who will be ending with me the video, and we'll get that small tip, or I think it's important tip. If you are going to make the powder, when you're storing it, store it on a glass. on a glass, not on a plastic or any other type, just on glass, because the glass will make the flavor or the taste, make it long make it long time with the same taste. But if you put it in another type, the taste will be gone by the days. So that was the small tip. Great was with you. French coffee also. See you in the next time. Goodbye.